Hey guys, if you're considering visit Kazakhstan during the winter but you scared and you do not know what to expect, consider extreme cold. And in today's vlog I show you my research on this topic, what I bought yesterday and how I plan to survive my winter camping and fishing sessions, or how can I call it, trips. So the first thing you will need the stove. The wooden bricks looks like this. I guess 2 is enough. So inside it looks like this. I had this one, it's supposed to burn these bricks, but it didn't work. I put some paper now and try to burn it again. And the good news, it worked. The bricks are firing and giving warm. So it's very hot. It's very hot, so I can basically cook on it. It's a nice actually noise, like a very calming and cozy kinda, and it smells like a wood. Not just because you put it outside and cook on it, because during the negative winter temperatures the gas balance not working properly, so you need some replacement, and a stove and a wooden bricks works just fine. The second main thing you'll need if you wanna go camping or fishing in Kazakhstan during winter is a proper winter tent like this. I did some research. I knew nothing. Like 2 weeks ago, I knew nothing about winter tents. I thought just a normal tents will work, but it's not. Spoiler alert, because it's not windproof, and it just will not work. I tried to research US, Canadian, Australian, well, maybe Australian is cheap, Canadian sites for the winter tents, but it looks like nothing compared to the Kazakhstani cold as Russia, because Kazakhstan do not produce anything. We do not have productions of our nice brands of the tents for the winter, but Russia has. And I did my research and I found the best brand. Of course, they didn't pay me for this advertising. I just did my own research because I have 20 followers. Who will pay me? But if you want me to be a full-time traveler, blogger, researcher, and your eyes who shows you how to travel in Kazakhstan, press like on this video and subscribe. I'll do my best. So this is the winter camp I just built, installed. Let's go inside and check what else do you need for the winter camping. It's so warm here. Even I do not have stove. It took me 8 minutes to set up this tent. God damn it, it's huge. Can I move it? That's huge, but I like it. Oh man, I'm so tired. Welcome to my tent. I spent 8 minutes oh no, actually not bad. It has a windproof Oxford, it's called Oxford material. It's the best kinda, and it costs about $600. which is for Kazakhstan is crazy expensive, but still all the fishermen buy it because no other way to stay warm during the winter. Also, when you go fishing, you will not usually you stay for a few days because it doesn't make sense to spend like 3 hours to reach the first lake or river, also install all these things, and after 3 hours go back home. It basically would be a full day, but you still need to fish. So you can make a hole for the stovepipes and replace it. I have a special material which is not burning. Other windows, or you can close them like here. You can place stove on different places. There are 4 of them, and the windows, like 4 windows and 4 potentially places how you can install your stove inside. Without stove, in minus like negative 30 Celsius degree, that would be freakingly cold. Another thing that you will need, it's usually sold separately from the tent, is a warm floor, which is basically looks like a waterproof mattress a bit. Let me show you. This material, and it has some. It's a thick, comparing to just summer, like camp, summer tent floors. Also something like this because you definitely don't want to sleep on the floor during the winter. And also if you have a stove in your tent, and you will have during the winter because it's cold and you need to cook somehow, your head would be higher than the stove air, how it's called, I don't know, air flow. So basically if you slip down to the floor, you might die from monoxide, I don't know how it's called, from some potentially hazardous death outcomes from the stove. So this is the tent. It's pretty comfortable. I plan to travel and sleep and camp and fish with my 2 Shiba Inu dogs across the Kazakhstan. The one problem I has is my car, which is Suzuki Jimny. Not this one. This is absolutely impossible to use for the camping. I have Suzuki Jimny, this one, and it's very cool for off-road. I love it, but it's not much space inside, and now I'm thinking I need something like a replacement pickup like Toyota Hilux, but I don't have money for it. I'm ready to sell Jimny, but I still don't have money to buy Toyota Hilux, so I'm trying to become popular YouTuber so I can earn money, sell Jimny and buy a pickup so I can put all my fishing, camping, winter camping stuff and go travel across the Kazakhstan. Yeah, this is my kind of main motivation because I love fishing. It's calming me and it's kind of meditation. And also I feel bad when I have those amazing dogs and I want them to travel too. So yeah, so press subscribe, and if you like this video, press like. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching.